The 2026 World Cup is about to be the biggest one in history. 48 teams, 3 countries, and a schedule so packed you'll miss half the action if you're not set up properly. Apple just updated Apple Sports to track the entire tournament right on your iPhone, live scores on your lock screen, standings updated in real time, and every match from every group in one place. Let me show you how to set it up before kickoff. So here's what's happening. The 2026 FIFA World Cup runs from June the 11th to July the 19th, hosted across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. For the first time ever, there are 48 teams instead of 32. That means more groups, more matches, and a much more complex schedule. Apple Sports now treats the World Cup like any other league you follow. You add it once, pick your teams, and the app handles everything from there. Scores, standings, schedules, all in one place. Setting it up takes about 10 seconds. Open the Apple Sports on your iPhone, search for the 2026 FIFA World Cup, tap to add it to your leagues. It sits alongside whatever other competitions you already follow. From there, you can follow the entire tournament or narrow it down to specific teams. Pick the countries you care about, and the app will prioritize those matches and results for you. Once everything is set up, you don't need to touch it again. Everything updates automatically. This is where it gets really useful. Apple Sports uses live activities to push scores directly to your lock screen as matches are being played. You don't need to open the app. You don't need to refresh anything. When a goal goes in, you see it. The dynamic island on your iPhones also shows key moments as games unfold. This is especially valuable when multiple matches are happening at the same time across different time zones. You can glance at your phone and see exactly what's happening without digging through apps. Inside the app, you get a full view of the tournament, group standings so you can see where each team sits in their table, match schedules with kickoff times automatically converted to your local time zone, live scores with in-game stats as matches are played, and playoff progression. So once the knockout rounds begin, you can follow the bracket all the way through to the final. It's a single screen view of the entire World Cup. No jumping between apps, no searching for fixtures, no missing results. Here's why this matters more than it sounds. 48 teams is a massive expansion. With 32 teams, there were already matches overlapping and results you'd miss if you weren't paying attention. With 48 teams across 16 cities in 3 countries and multiple time zones, the schedule is going to be genuinely chaotic. Apple's approach takes that burden off you. Instead of manually checking fixtures and refreshing scores, the most relevant updates get pushed to you as the tournament progresses. Cuts down on the noise and gives you just what you need. My advice, set it up now. Don't wait until June the 11th when the first match kicks off. Open Apple Sports today, add the World Cup and follow your teams. When the tournament starts, everything will already be in place. Your lock screen will light up with scores, your dynamic island will show key moments, and you won't miss a single result from the teams you care about. It's one of those things that takes 10 seconds now and saves you from scrambling later. That's the 2026 World Cup on Apple Sports. 48 teams, 3 countries, live scores on your lock screen, and the easiest way to follow the biggest football tournament ever.